Good morning, folks. Hope you're having a great day. I just wanted to update you on the progress of these tomato plants. Just installed recently these supports. These are from branches cut from trees in my yard. Very cost effective. The tomato plants are getting taller, so I'm going to add an additional string to this notch here, to that one. So I'll take the string, tie it off here, wrap it, run it all the way around and then back, and then tie it off again. That way it continues to support my tomatoes. And we have good growth here. I just water every other day when there's no rain. And when there is rain, I don't water at all. We put a little bit of mulch at the bottom, but it's natural mulch. It's basically just oak leaves and detritus. So no fertilizer. And these things are doing amazing. This is the beefsteak tomato, and the it's just a regular cherry tomato. I'm really happy with what I see. Anyhow, that's the progress report for today. Today is October the 7th, 2021. And we're heading into the winter months. So hopefully the chill doesn't kill these guys. This is really just one big experiment. I just want to see how much I can get away with growing into the winter, and how far off into the winter I can keep all this stuff alive. Anyhow, thanks for watching. I hope you have a good day.